Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install TikTok on Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your Smart TV and go to the search bar. Type TikTok in the search field and wait for the results to load. If TikTok is available in your region, it will appear in the search results. Simply select the app, then click Get or Download to install it on your Smart TV. Once the installation is complete, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or create an account. If your Smart TV does not support TikTok directly, you can use a streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick or Android TV Box to access the app. In some cases, you may need to change your region settings or sideload the TikTok APK onto your device. Once installed, you can browse videos, follow creators, and enjoy all the features of TikTok directly on your Smart TV. So that's basically how you can get TikTok on Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.